Friday Workshop!
What are we doing this week?
This week we're comparing battery power tools versus corded tools.
All right, here we go.
Battery power tools. You can store them pretty much anywhere. I can do this and it's there. You don't have to worry about cord getting over the place. Another cool thing is these can go anywhere because there is no cord. And also, with the no cord, you can't trip over the cord. But still have to watch out.
Corded tools. Why are they great? Because they're dependable. These are old tools, right? So you just plug them into the wall, and as long as you have wall power, you work. So you don't have to worry about just picking up a tool and having a dead battery in it. Also, it has longer runtime. For example, we have a rotary tool. It's a Dremel, and battery just goes out real quick. Same with sanders. So this particular tool, we like corded tools. And then also, they have more torque. So with a router or something like this, you're gonna have a lot more torque with a powered tool than you are with a battery powered tool. They're also lighter. So the corded tools, you're not packing around the weight of the battery. So typically they're a lighter tool. They're also typically cheaper. So these tools, because you're not paying for the battery and all the lithium and all the chemicals that go into it, they're gonna be a little cheaper. You plug it into the wall and that'll support your power. And also you don't have to worry about batteries going dead and rebuying batteries. An old tool is just sitting in a box. You can pull it out and you can just play with it. For fine woodworkers, when you're not, working on construction and you're in your shop most of the time, these corded tools are gonna work for 90% of your stuff when you don't need portable things.
The best battery power tools are ones that don't run all the time. They're most good for short-term little things, like screwdrivers. They work really well. But a thing that doesn't work that well is sanders or routers.
Friday Workshop! So we went over what are the pros of each type of battery or corded tool, and we went over what types of tools make better power corded tools and which types of tools make better battery tools. And we hope you like videos like these, and if you like videos like these,
You should check out this one, like, and subscribe.